You rarely see a Mercedes like this in such spectacular action as this rally recording from 1980. The W123 Series 280CE Coupe's rally era did not last long. Its high weight sapped its performance and prevented it from having a glorious career in Group 2. Hans-Peter Brummer, at the time Ingvar Carlsson's co-driver, restored the former Mercedes Works rally car together with prestigious Mercedes tuner Carlsson. This is a 280CE built in 1980 with 230 horsepower, weighing 1,320 kilos. This car was driven by Ingvar Carlsson in 1980 at the Acropolis Rally. It was also used in Argentina and New Zealand. The monocoque bodywork has since been replaced, and after tough rally service on gravel, the axles had to be replaced too, but many of the original parts could still be used. The 3-part BBS rims with wide slicks for more grip on the tarmac are being used today. A glance under the bonnet reveals no chip tuning. Instead, there are headers and an optimized Fricker injection system. The matte black bonnet has a simple effect. It prevents the driver and co-driver from being dazzled by slanting rays of sunlight. The steel cage and 6-point shoulder harnesses offer the necessary passive safety in a rally car. The interior is reminiscent of a taxi. The dashboard as well as the gear stick gaiter are from the production version. Instead of a taximeter, there's a trip master and an ultra-shortwave radio, the co-driver's tools. Its performance in the slalom can certainly not be surpassed by any Mercedes taxi in the world. The drive around the cones clearly shows that this is a real rally car. Despite rear-wheel drive and soft suspension settings, the car weaves neutrally through the slalom. On the handling course, the Mercedes really reveals itself to be a devil on 4 wheels. The rev-happy aspirated engine gives an incomparable rumble. .230 horsepower from the 2.8-litre engine, together with the short transmission 4-speed gearbox, offers enough power to chase the car around the course at its limits, even at the lowest revs. However, the rear-wheel drive demands a lot of practice and intuition from its driver when accelerating out of tight corners. On our handling course, the heavy coupe likes to push over its front wheels, but by selective easing up on the gas pedal, it's easy to reel it in again. Its good lap time of 19.09 seconds is impressive, but the shortcuts in the S-bends do have to be taken into account. Ingvar Carlsson's son Patrick can't afford mistakes like that at the upcoming German rally and the 500-kilometer classic car race at the Nürburgring. In contrast to previous days, however, he and his cars will be saved from riding over hill and dale.